So you want to change your ringtone in iOS 17. If you're like most people, you've probably heard that same reflection or opening tone one too many times. It's like background noise at this point, a sleepy elevator ride for your ears. But every time your phone rings in public, there's that microsecond of confusion. Was that my phone or the person next to me? We've all been there. Awkward shuffle, digging in your pocket, only to find out it wasn't even your call. Here's what I do, and it's about as simple as any minor tech annoyance gets. First, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Remember, the Face ID does the heavy lifting, so just glance, swipe up, and you're in. The magic of modern frictionless security. Now, tap on the Settings app. It's the one that looks like a metallic gear, usually sitting right at the top if you haven't buried it somewhere obscure like that weird productivity folder you never open. Scroll until you see Sounds and Haptics. It's somewhere in the first group of settings. Tap it. This is basically the control center for anything that makes a noise or vibration on your iPhone, like a command post for your audio life. Find the section labeled Ringtone. Tap it and you'll get a list of all available ringtones. Most people don't realize this, but Apple has added a few new ones in iOS 17, so you might actually be surprised by the options this year. Play with the list. Literally. Tap any ringtone and your phone will preview it at full volume. Sure, some are cringy, but at least you'll know instantly how annoying your presence will be in a quiet cafe in downtown Portland. Pro tip, if you want a truly unique sound, scroll to the bottom and you'll see the Tone Store. Here you can purchase and download custom ringtones, everything from indie music to cats meowing. It's kinda wild what people will pay $1.29 for. If you already have custom ringtones you made or imported, this is where they appear, in a little section above the Apple defaults. Most people never even notice them because the list is long and requires a lot of thumb scrolling. Select the ringtone you want and just back out of settings. No need to hit save or apply. As soon as you tap a ringtone, it becomes your official ring until you change it next time. And don't forget, you can test it by asking a friend to call you. Nothing's quite as shocking as hearing your phone holler with some dramatic 90s rap when you were expecting birdsong. This is why the self-test is critical. Changing your ringtone might not fix gas prices, but it does make your day-to-day feel like it's actually yours. Think of it as a tiny slice of self-expression in a world where everyone's phone tries to blend in. Don't be afraid to stand out.